Okay? This is a test.
So I can mess up the test.
Daddy, why did you leave me? You created me, so don't you wanna come and see me? Daddy, why did you make me? If you're not gonna take me to get a burger and a shaky. My cursed blood is your cursed blood, so come on now and be my bud. I can count your visits on my fingertips, bring me presents from your business trips. Daddy, why did you father me? If all you wanna do is bother me, don't you know that I love you, and all I wanna do is see more of you? Daddy, why did you eat my fries? I bought them, and they were mine. But you ate them, yeah, you ate my fries, and I cried, but you didn't see me cry. Daddy, do you even love me? Well, I wish you'd show it, 'cause I wouldn't know it. What kind of daddy you just thought us right? It doesn't look good in the eyes. Daddy, there were tears there. If you see them, would you even care?
If you saw them.
Happy Father's Day po. Sa araw na ito, alalahanin po natin ang ating mga ama, yung mga buhay pa, at pati na rin yung mga yumao na. At sa mga single mothers na nanonood, na nagtataguyod ng inyong mga pamilya bilang ina at ama ng sabay, Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day din po sa inyong lahat. Hanggang sa susunod na awit, ako po si Manny Viloria ng Viloria.net. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay tayong lahat.